natural boundary jatuh. Kipi jalam kya be? Seta nitum ke pini bangai cek kroy lota nitum thana ta bipo university state university ta bipo lapen JNV school ta nitum dak bipo lapen ke dake nitum jata nitum ta ilong po bang klem long po.
Tala longle la
Degree lo kena pini la tum kya dari Karbi Anglong le.
Sala 1951 pen
Las pilar ta nitum kim po. Naga tiar po ata nitum ben si tiar po. De.
the agreement between
So like this today, I'm very happy to announce that. So it's my pleasure so I would like to thank the officials from the government of Assam side and also the officials from the government of Meghalaya who are present in the meetings along with the SP and DC from both sides of the districts. Also, I would like to thank in particularly the people of Tapat village and the people of Lapang-Ngap village. So and all the MP from local MP and MLAs, MDC, all those important people from Assam, they have been with us today. So we have come to the conclusion, it's a very fruitful discussion, and we have come to the conclusion that peace should be come back in this area like before. And we had agreed that, and we are very happy to announce that both sides of the village, so they are agreed to the decision of the government, which has been put upon to the meeting. So the cultivation from the Lapang-Ngap, they will start from tomorrow regularly as before. And yes, it seems we have to respect their willing and their idea about the villagers. So they will agree to go for the seasonal crop from both sides. Not one should stop. So from tomorrow, peace will come back in this area. So I'm very thankful to all the officials of the government of Assam, and especially this council of Karbi and the official from Meghalaya and also the JHLC from Meghalaya. So today we have come to the conclusion. So the agreement is that everything remains status quo as before, and life will come back to normalcy as before. Nobody will disturb from tomorrow. They can cultivate nicely and peacefully. What is important for us as a leader? The most happiest moment we as leader when our people live happily and nicely. That is our intention.
So what do you think about the land, whether it belongs to West Karbi Anglong or Meghalaya?
You see, today we are not discussing about the boundary issue, because the boundary issue, it has to take up at the state level, both the chief minister level. So today directly we are discussing about the livelihood of our people.
Sir, the Meghalaya agreed in 1951 the survey of India's agreement.
That is different chapter altogether. We are not going to touch that, because let the regional committee sit both and present the report to both the government, and we will take a call about it.
And sir, regarding the killings of one innocent boy, ma'am, so what decision have you
Don't
taken?
worry that the law will take
According to administration and law and order.
The law will take no course only.
No, sir, today's meeting is exactly what?
Exactly, now we are agree, nobody should disturb each other. They should work happily both the villages together from tomorrow itself. I'm very confident there is no more incident. We are here to bring peace, not to create problem.
Yes.
Problem comes mostly from Lapang-Ngap. Both people say
Problem is we are human beings. There is common cause. Lapses is always there, but after all, after we debate hours and hours about what is our aim and objectives, to bring peace there. No issue. No issue. To bring peace there.
thank you.
I'm very happy with this. With today's meeting result. The meeting was that we have come to conclusion. Peace should come back in this area, especially in this both village, Tapat and Lapang village.
Sir, one of your government cabinet minister, Violet Mikil Shela, has alleged that Karbi Autonomous Council authorities changing their stance. So this solution couldn't be.
No stand is changing. Today we are coming especially for livelihood purpose, not for border. Border issue both the government will take a call.
Karbi Anglong mate dak Tapat arong Arat mate ahoy aduy along klem rapet dam rapet nile kasing hon korteng jir kido anatum amen pen natum han kardom nang pilo kardo pini ini tum neng karong arni lepen pini ke isi a historic kala arni lo athe ili tum la bangso Tapat pen Lapang-Ngap alam ki arji dingklui neng kan pen ci bohong lo cerbu ceng cek lo pen la bangso dim ke ili tum arji dingklui aneng kan se punet terlo ili tum Karbi atum la hai hui Anglong arlo keng pak ta ci bidam long let del seta pini ili tum neng karong nang ji ka hok nang ji bang ke ili tum ka ching hon nai ili tum a CM Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Dr. Tuliram Ronghang lapen pini Meghalaya pe nang chitong dun ili tum a Deputy Minister Sneobha Langdhar alang lige Deputy Chief Minister lo Meghalaya lo lapen alang li itu Meghalaya pen a chief secretary dulo lapen ili itu Assam pen tame itu chief deputy chief secretary da dulo additional sorry lapen tu pini ili tu ladak amri long pen itu ngach hai poni tu ma MLA sara tum da dulo pen tim Karbi Anglong tum da dulo lapen Meghalaya pen ta ong dung rat bang lo la sepini la bang solong li phelang dim bang pini klar dak klar sap pen kaching kipon pen kaching wai pon pen alam thetel tum long lo lasi ili tum stame pini pen pena penan ke ili tum penara korti tum phanta ili tum ta thang ta pasung dun long lelo la pen bang setame i tum bang sang long aju kateki dam ji kang hoi dam ji ling seta bang tel tum nang pisung dun delo lasi pini nili tum ching kilo il tum CM Karbi Anglong ton mos council tum pen chingki ching wai lo je no lo bang solong le khali adi ma bang ke nang li tum nang rap nang po la dak bang nili tum hanso mate parok yang phong seta luthe seta hajat seta ni tum eng hoi posa la selang li nang rap dun nang lihin pe nang rap dun nang ji pula la selang li dang chi chak lo penili tuma lokel MLA lo il tuma sar doktor habiteron dalang li dalang li tani tuma phanang chi chak lo alang lin metel tum phanang rap dun po la si nengarong lo itum ka tuk ka ve dak adon tin pen hom tin tame la bang song longa khali yu ana bangke ili tum ka chuklem pon rapet chudam pon rapet lo nang la si ili tum ke kecebong ke cerwu pen lok tum ke Monsam long le si no na bangke ili tuma sar tum ta bang ituma phan nang kilit nang ki japon mesen lo la sel bang soteng si ili tum ta cerap citudun bom lo na pel bang sodim ta ili tum klem pon rapet lo na lancholo